Hi guys, welcome back to another video diary here in Switzerland. So it's currently 3:44 in the morning here in Geneva, Switzerland, and I'm traveling. I'll be traveling around the Nordic countries of Switzerland. So this is my formal vacation after my busy season in audit. And I'm so very excited because I will be visiting 5 new countries. I'll be visiting Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. And that would be for the next 2.5 weeks, and then I'll be ending up in Paris and then going back to Switzerland.
From my winter hell, I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you, no matter who or know what will others say.
Hi guys, welcome to me in Oslo, Norway. So nakarating na ako, and ito, nasa airport na ako, and then may pagpipilian ka, regular train as well as yung express train. Mas mahal yung express train of course, pero same lang naman yung time. So mas pinili ko, tsaka hindi naman ako nagmamadali. So binili ko tong regular ticket for 200 something crowns. So nag-download pala ako ng app na Router para lahat ng transportation ay nandito na. Kasi kapag hindi ka nag-download dito, is may mga ibang station na hindi sila nagka-cash or ng card or walang mga bilihan ng ticket. So, I'd rather na bumili na lang dito sa app. Apple Pay lang naman yon. And pupunta na ako sa Track 4. So, maganda yung airport nila. Sobrang linis and very modern siya. So, punta ako sa Track 4. So hi guys, it's our second day here in Oslo, Norway. So kahapon dumating lang ako and then nagpahinga. I watched the Pride Parade, and nung gabi wala na din akong energy kasi since kulang din yung tulog ko. But anyway, this is day 2 and I will be walking around the city, and pupuntahan ko na yung mga top tourist attractions here. But first, I'll have my breakfast. So I just bought coffee from the supermarket as well as water. Potable naman yung water dito dun sa mga faucet nila, but mas gusto kasi yung sparkling water, so I bought it, and then I have like some sandwich with me. So anyway, puntahan na natin. It's a bit chilly today pero ito lang yung suot ko, but anyway, kasi yung mga tao dito naka-t-shirt lang naman sila. So check natin yung mga tourist spots dito sa Oslo, Norway. So guys, habang kumakain ako, explain ko lang. So ito yon. Ito yung sauna nila dito. So, may dagat dito. Ito yung dagat nila. Hindi ka siya ganun ka-clear. Medyo black siya. Baltic Sea ata to. I'm not sure. Re-research ko nila. And then, ito pala yung mga sauna nila. So, pwede kang pumasok dyan. Magbabayad ka lang ng mga 1,200 pesos. So, unlimited na yan. And then, kailangan naka-clothe ka dyan. Kasi sa mga ibang sauna, kailangan magubad ka. Dito kasi, since outdoor siya, so kailangan mo mag-bathing suit. And then, pwede ka din mag-swimming and then papalit-palit. So, actually, may nagsi-swimming na. So,
Low, I'm feeling low. Want you to know I ain't got much to show. Baby, I'm slow. I'm gonna creep into my eyes, snail show until the spring liberates me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey, baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true. Speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show this life's a show. Try not to glow way down below.
hi guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Oslo Opera House. So, nandun tayo sa rooftop niya. So, malapit lang din ito dun sa sauna. And actually, libre pumasok dito dun sa rooftop nila. Anyway, feeling ko sa loob meron siyang bayad. Anyway, if you want a good view of Oslo, so ayan. Ito yung view niya. So, ayan yung malapit dyan yung central station nila, yung tren na sinakyan ko galing airport. Tapos ito yung boulevard. Ayan. So, ito yon. So, if gusto niyo pumunta dito, maganda na lang kayo na maglakad ng medyo mataas. Pero hindi naman ganun kahirap. And, ayan, sobrang hangin lang dito, guys. And naka-polo lang ako, sila naka-jacket. So, at saka may nakita akong barko na kakadaong lang din. And then, dun yung apartment ko banda plus yung sauna. So,
I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or when or what will others say. Just find your way.
So hi guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon dito sa The Royal Palace or yung Royal Palace ng Oslo, Norway. Actually, yung government structure ng Norway is a constitutional monarchy. Yung ibig sabihin nun, meron silang king dito pero it's more of like the representative or yung ceremonial lang siya, no? Katulad siya ng government ng United Kingdom. So, ito yung Royal Palace of Oslo, Norway.
Low, I'm feeling low. Want you to know I ain't got much to show. Baby, I'm slow. I'm gonna creep into my eyes, snail show until the spring liberates me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey, baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to
Hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa may Akerbrig. So ito siya, sikat siya sa kanyang pier. Actually may mga boats dyan sa gilid. May mga yate din dito. And sikat din dito sa mga restaurants nila. Actually para may mga fancy restaurants doon. Pwede ako kumain ng lunch dito. And ayan, may mga nagja-jogging. I think maganda to kapag ka sunrise or sunset. And kung gusto mong magtumakbo. Very modern dito sa Oslo, Norway, guys. Unlike dun sa mga other neighboring countries niya. Kasi yung mga structure ng mga bahay dito, parang bago na.
Just find your way and try to stay true. Just speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show this life's a show. Try not to glow. Way down below, it's a lot of woe. And that's not a place where you would like to go.
Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa 7-Eleven nila kasi gusto ko muna magpahinga and magmerienda dito. Anyway, ito yung pinili ko. So, bumili ako ng frozen yogurt. So, ayan. Yogurt to. At least hindi ice cream sana. Nagkahalaga to ng mga nasa 360 pesos. Medyo mahal dito sa Norway, katulad ng Switzerland. And then, mga fajitas. Ito. Baka may laman to sa loob. Nasa around mga 300 din, 2 piraso. So, kain muna ako guys. Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa may Akershus Fortress nila. Actually, hindi ko napansin na nasa itinerary ko pala to. Pero sobrang ganda dito, sobrang payapa. Parang kagaya niya yung fortress ng nasa Denmark or sa Sweden. Not sure. Pero ito yon. May pier dito, tsaka andun yung sa taas yung fortress. May CR din dyan, so kung gusto nyo umihi. But anyway, sobrang payapa dito. And it's currently around 8:43 ng gabi. And medyo late nagsa-sunset dito, around 11 pa. So, yan. Hi guys, so yun na yung first and second day dito sa Oslo, Norway. However, parang napuntahan ko na yung 95% ng itinerary ko. First impression of Oslo, Norway, sobrang ganda. Very modern, different type of Europe. Parang although kamukha na yung vibe nung Denmark as well as yung Sweden. But very nice, pero di ko sure if kailangan nyo siyang bigyan ng maraming days na para puntahan. Although not sure if Sobra kasing bilis ko lang talaga sa mga tourist attractions and sobrang lakad ko din. Gustong-gusto ko maglakad. So, ayan, nandito lang ako sa bay nila. Actually, ito yung Opera House. And then, nasa likod ko naman yung mga saunas. So, yun lang. May gusto pa akong puntahan yung kanilang ski museum as well as try kong ma-experience yung sauna dito. So, hope you guys like this video. And hopefully, mapuntahan din yun ng bansan to. And if you like this video, kindly click the like, subscribe, as well as mag-comment na rin kayo if ano pang country yung gusto nyong puntahan ko. So,
There'll be girls across